Why your consistency dies when motivation disappears. You don't lose consistency because you're lazy. You lose it because it always starts the same way. One day you feel motivated, you lock in, you feel like this time it's different. You're going to stick to it, you're going to finally change. But then comes the moment nobody talks about. The first day you don't feel like doing it. And instead of pushing through, you tell yourself, today I'll just rest. I've done enough anyway. And in that moment, you're not taking a break. You're starting a cycle that will erase everything you built. Let me explain. Point one, rest days should be planned. At first, it always feels harmless. You skip one day, just one. You think, it's fine, I'll continue tomorrow, but tomorrow feels a little harder, not impossible, just less clear. So you skip again, and now it's no longer a planned rest. It's just avoidance with a better excuse. And what makes this dangerous is that your brain doesn't see it as quitting, it sees it as a temporary pause. But pauses like this don't stay temporary. They stretch. One day becomes two, two becomes a week. And suddenly, you're not someone who is resting anymore. You're someone who drifted away from the habit completely. You don't rest just because you don't feel like doing it today. You rest when it's planned and actually needed. Point two, you start forgetting the habit. After enough rest days, something worse starts happening. You don't just skip the habit, you start forgetting it. The identity of it disappears. And I know this because it has happened to me too. I would be consistent for 1 to 2 weeks straight, locked in, focused. Then one day I just didn't feel like it, so I skipped. Then I did it again the next day, but it already felt different. The rhythm was gone. Then another rest day came, and slowly, without noticing it, the habit stopped being part of my life. Not because I decided to quit, but because I stopped reinforcing it long enough that it faded. If you rest too many days, then starting the task again is way harder. Point three, use motivation as a tool. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Motivation was never what kept you consistent. It only helped you start. That first phase where everything feels new, exciting, full of energy, that's not discipline, that's emotion. And emotion always fades. So when motivation disappears, nothing is left to hold the habit in place. No system, no rules, no identity, just decisions. And decisions are exactly where consistency dies, because every day becomes a debate. Do I feel like it today or not? And once your habits depend on how you feel, you've already lost control. When your motivation is completely gone, that's usually the moment you feel like stopping, but that's exactly the moment that matters the most. You don't get through it by waiting for motivation to come back. You get through it by continuing anyway, even when it feels flat, even when it feels like nothing is working, because discipline isn't built when you feel good. It's built when you don't feel like doing anything at all, but you still choose to move. And later, when motivation comes back again, don't waste it. Go back to the reason you started. Think about what pushed you in the beginning, what you wanted to change, what you were trying to escape, what version of yourself you were trying to become. And when motivation shows up, you don't relax, you use it, you do as much as you can while it's there because you already know it won't last. And when it disappears again, you'll be even further because you used it wisely. And when it disappears again, you go back to pushing through. But the more you do something, the easier it becomes. So that's it. Don't skip your habits for too long. Plan your rest days instead of letting them happen by emotion. Don't rest so long that you forget the habit. Use motivation as a tool, not a foundation. And when it's gone, push through anyway, because consistency isn't built when everything feels easy. It's built when you keep going, even when it doesn't. So if you want more explanation in any specific topic, leave a comment and I'll see it in the next video.